Hello class 11, structure of atom is our chapter. Today we will study about the isobar. Isobar are nothing but two or three different elements having the same atomic mass or the atomic weight but different atomic number. This is the perfect definition. आज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे क्या होता है आइसोबार. आइसोबार वो एलिमेंट या वो एटम होता है जिस पर the total number of proton plus total number of neutron in nucleons are same, but their atomic number, that is the number of protons, are different. Two different elements. Let's come about. Argon. Argon is an inert noble gas. Calcium is a rare earth metal. So what happens? 18 is the atomic number of argon, 20 calcium. But they are having 40-40 means 40-40 atomic mass. Okay? Here only the number of protons are different. But the total number of protons plus neutrons are same. That is 40. Now next comes similar case. Similar. Carbon 6, nitrogen atomic number 7 means 6. Now they have got the atomic mass 14. Atomic mass 14 means here also the total number of protons plus total number of neutrons are same, that is 14 in their nucleons, and they are having the two different, that is protons. यहाँ पर फर्क है. कार्बन का कितना प्रोटॉन्स है आपका 6 और नाइट्रॉन्स का कितना है आपका 7. सल्फर सिमिलर के सल्फर एंड क्लोरीन 16 and 17 means total number of protons in the case of the sulfur is 16, in the case of the chlorine is 17. If you consider this one, अगर इसको पढ़ेंगे 36 इनका total number of protons plus total number of neutrons in nucleons are same, approximately same. Now potassium and calcium, if you this one alkali metal, rare earth metal. See, potassium is having कितना है उनका atomic number 17, calcium is कितना है calcium का 20. अगर आप देखिए both of them are having atomic mass 40. So means total number of proton plus total number of neutrons in nucleons are same, but the total number of protons are different. See here the neons and sodium. Neons are noble inert gas. Sodium is an alkali metals. Both of them are having two different atomic number, that is 10 for neon means total number of proton in the case of neon and sodium are two different atomic number means two different number of protons, but they're having the same atomic mass or approximately. We cannot say same, approximately, because sometimes it coming about 19 point something, that is the decimal, but we consider it as a whole number. So in the case of the nickel and iron, they are having atomic number 28 and 26, that is they are having the two different number of protons, but they are having the nucleons same, means nucleons means the total number of protons plus total number of neutrons in their nucleons are same, and their also nucleons are same, 58. So it is obvious that if the elements are different from different other groups, from different periods, from different other groups, that they are not going to show any same chemical or similar chemical or physical properties. They exhibit only different chemical and physical property. Now total number of protons I have given you, because in the case of the atomic mass, what do we consider in the case of the isobar? It is total number of neutrons and total number of neutrons in nucleons. So I think you have got it. Here we have involved only two different elements with this same atomic mass but two different atomic number, and that atomic number is nothing but it is the number of proton present in these two different elements. I think ये आपका हो गया, clear हो गया I think, and this is enough for you for your syllabus. Please copy. Please pause and just copy the notes. Both for NCERT, CBSE syllabus, it is all applicable for this one. सब आप लोग कॉपी कर चुकी है, पॉज करके कॉपी कर लो. ओके, पॉज करके सारा कॉपी कर लो. Okay, till then, please subscribe my channel, like my channel, and send to your friends and near and dear ones. Thank you.